Okay, today we're working on swapping this factory radiator to an aluminum one. So first things first, these 3 nuts on both sides. Take these caps off. Okay, so once the 3 nuts are out from these 3 studs, you're gonna remove this bracket that holds the radiator. It slides right up. On both sides, you will not have this. I added this for extra support to hold the radiator. So same thing on this side. This slides up. Okay, now you want to come underneath the truck, and here is the drain for the radiator. You're gonna have your automatic transmission oil lines right here. There's 2, and your coolant line here and here. So first things first, let's drain it. That's what I did. I hooked up a small hose because I didn't want to make a whole mess, spill it inside the radiator support, so it'll just drain there to the bucket. So now we wait for it to drain. All right, while the radiator drains, you want to remove these 2 8mm bolts from the fan shroud. One here, and the other one's right here. So yeah, let's take them off. Okay, so that's out. We're gonna do the upper radiator hose right now. Move that to the side. Okay, next up is draining this coolant hose. So you move the clamp back, and then after that we're gonna do the transmission lines. So yeah, let's see. So I can do this with one hand. Try not to make a mess. Not too bad. All right, so after that hose, you want to pull out your lower radiator hose and make sure at least have a 5-gallon bucket, because I mean, I didn't really make a mess, but this thing is damn near full. So yeah, you're gonna drain a lot of coolant. So now that this is out, we can go ahead and remove these transmission lines. So one hand shit. It's not it. Okay, so this one is a little bit more. So that should be the last line that goes to the radiator. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom, and obviously the top one. So all right, let's go up top. That's it. Alrighty. So now, don't mind my bird Frankie coming in with the new aluminum radiator. All right, so since these are a little thicker for this rubber padding that's underneath this bracket, I removed mine, so I'm gonna, later on I'm gonna do like a rubber grommet around here, just so, you know, with the vibration, it'll help out. So we put these nuts. All right, so we are finishing up the install. I put a new lower radiator hose. Make sure your drain plug is tight before you fill up. Transmission lines are in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you add the correct amount of coolant. I gotta fix this.